Jaicee, go that way, around the swimming pool.
This one looks white.
Okay, go there, around there, around. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's right there, Jaicee, look. Oh, it's a toy, love. It's a Christmas decoration. Remember, we see that last time? Yeah, you remember?
I got one.
Not there nga, kasi there's a lot maybe of pee-pee. James, this way, this way. Come here, baby boy. James, this way.
Can you pick that one up?
Just pick it up yourself, please. It's fine. Come here. James, what are you picking up? Sticks. What is that for? Okay, I thought you were gonna get some pine cones and rocks. Ew. Yucky. Go this way. There. Jaicee, not on the edge, okay?
No way.
Yeah, Jaicee, not on the edge. Stay away. See the river there?
I see people.
Yeah, you see the river? Let me fix your hat. There's a lot, James. You get a lot already. Nice.
Oh, a pineapple tree. Ow! The pineapple fell on.
Okay, this way nga, this way, this way. Here, there's a lot of pine cones here. James, this way, remember? Jace, this way.
Don't tap on the mud. Excuse me, get dirty. Don't tap on the mud, Mama.
Yeah. Don't run. All the way here. See, there's a river. Oh, it's still cold, eh? Yeah. Are you cold, Jaicee?
Don't tap on the mud.
Okay.
The forest rubber. Oh, yes. Tap on these.
Okay, those are the roots. See, there's more pine cone, James. You can pick up now. There's a lot here. Jaicee, are you getting or no? Yes, you are. Yeah, big one. Whoa, you get a lot already, James. Good job. What are we gonna do with the pine cone, baby? James?
The forest rubber.
Oh, someone's doing a hard job. That is, oh, no, yucky. Doesn't look good here, James. There's a lot here. Look. Oh no, not there. There's actually poop. Dog poop.
The forest rubber, Mama. Tap on the.
Oh no.
Okay.
Don't step in the lava. We need to wash hands, okay, later? Wash hands really good. Okay. Wait for me, Jace. Excuse me. Seriously, baby? What is that?
What?
Are you sure? No, love, no. Wait, James, wait.
Oh, I can't.
Hmm?
What that?
Oh, the stoplight. Yeah, stoplight. Yeah, see?
You made me. You made me what?
Yes, so many rock. Okay, come walk this way. No more picking up, okay? That's enough. You have too much already. Come here, I carry it for you. Can I carry it for you? It's heavy already. Okay. There. I got 2 buckets. Okay, this way. Go follow Ate. Ate is pretending she's walking in the lava.
You go and walk for me?
Yeah, this way, James. Come. We walk this way, baby. Oh, rocks. What kind of rocks you're looking for?
Let's just go this one.
Okay, go look for one. But watch out for poop, okay? Okay, we go this way, come. Go this way, baby boy. Follow Ate James. Yeah, it's okay. We have a lot already. We have a lot. Look, you carry it. Oh, too heavy, eh? We should put rock in there. Are you cold, James? No? Are you sure? What is it? Excuse me. Sorry. Yeah, I'm coming. Okay, watch out, James, okay? Watch your steps. Yeah, we're coming too. James is walking in the lava too. Careful, baby boy. Good job, James. No, actually it's a dog-free area.
Dog no area. Because you don't want any poop in here.
Come, we're going to wash them, okay? Remember, with a lot of soap and water? Yes?
No dog poop.
Good one. All right, come. Yeah, actually we can go this way, James. Here, we check the mountain of snow here. Jaicee, be careful there. Come here.
Hi guys. Hi.
Hi, be careful there, okay? That's a barbecue stand, baby. Oh, fire extinguisher. You're right, fire extinguisher. Come here, this way. Oh, it's melting and it's muddy. We're not gonna go there.
Someone got the pen.
Ew. Don't pick it up. That's not yours. Oh, look. What? Okay, let's go inside na. You ready na? Do you?
I want to.
Oh yeah, there's one more fire extinguisher. Look, they turned the garbage bin down, James.
What?
Yeah, it's a garbage bin. They knock it down. Oh, you can kick so strong. Whoa, I can kick so strong too. Look, do. Oh, where's Ate? Ate, where are you? Walk this way, James. James, walk this way. Walk this way, baby. This way. Were you talking to somebody? Oh, I thought you were talking to somebody there. Are you okay, James? Yeah. James, go down this side. Go down this way, this way. This way, go down this way. This way. You're gonna be stuck in there. Here. This one is way better. Okay, you wanna go to Ate? No more picking up, James. No more picking up. That's a lot already. You got a baby one? You got rocks too? Oh my.
Don't tell them the text. Don't tell them. Okay.
Jace, just let him walk by himself. Don't drag him. Jace, don't drag him.
you the tricks, okay? It's so hot. Don't tap on the tip. No, don't tap on. It's hot. It's hot. You go, girl. You go. Okay. You go like that. And there you go.
Good job.
What's up with the tricks?
Okay, let's go na, guys. Your hands will be so freezing. My hands so cold already.
That's why it's like this.
Oh, be careful. Okay, we walk this way, James. Follow Ate. Jaicee, walk that way. Go up there. We go around the footpath, whatever they call it. But stay away from somebody, okay? Someone's coming. Okay, keep going, James. Keep going. Good job. Watch out. Watch your steps.
The big jump, okay? Big jump.
Nice one.
Hi. Hi.
Good job. All right, come this way, baby boy. No need picking up some stuff, James. That's too much already. Come. You have a lot already.
What's it for that?
Oh, watch out for the paddle here. You cross this side. Cross this side, Jaicee, kasi it's wet there. Come here. This way, baby. James, that's enough. Stop picking up stuff now. Here, this way. You look, James. You see the way there? Look. It's right there.
Come on.
There, follow Ate. Look, this way, look. You see the path?
I'm showing something. A boat set.
Good job. There. I'll be behind you. No, not in the water. Go, not in the water, okay?
And jump.
No. Sorry. Go follow Ate. We don't play in the paddle right now. Keep going. It's okay, Jaicee. Good job. Nice jump, James. I like it. Jaicee, let go of your brother, please. Let go. Abigail. Nice one. That's a big jump, James. You're hopping like a frog? Oh, sorry, baby. Come, my hands are so cold already. We need to go inside na. Oh, Jaicee! No, that's not safe. Don't drag his boots like that. It's not safe. Good job, James. Too heavy for you. Can I carry it for you? You carry? Okay. Oh, no.
I came for watching. Bye bye. Subscribe, please. Thank you.
Subscribe, please, and thank you. Bye.